Namaste all. We the members of Ayurvani are proud to be here again with you to spread the ideologies of the most ancient medical system, this time through Ayurvani news. The pandemic has led to increased realization about one's health. In the time that we are passing through, efforts for maintaining good health and enhancing immunity has become essential. The Ayush Ministry is doing its best in contributing to the society along with CSIR and has begun trials of 4 Ayurvedic formulations being tested against COVID-19. They include Ashwagandha, Yashtimadhu, Guduchi, and Ayush 64. The ministry is also planning a competitive study between hydroxychloroquine and Ashwagandha. Spreading the word. The Ministry of Ayush launched a 3-month campaign, Ayush for Immunity. The key objective of the event was to acquaint the people with valuable information about strengths of various Ayush-based solutions for enhancing immunity and preventing diseases. And one of the campaign's latest release is the Immunity Bulletin. Among the general recommendations involved are drinking warm water throughout the day, using spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, garlic in cooking. It also included Chyawanprash every morning, golden milk, rinsing mouth with coconut or sesame oil, applying coconut, sesame oil or ghee in nostrils. Ongoing drug trials. A randomized controlled clinical trial is ongoing to evaluate the efficiency and safety of Ayush 64 as an add-on therapy for patients with COVID-19 infection. Chyawanprash as prevention of COVID-19 among healthcare personnel is also in clinical trials. News from the States. From the scintillating South, official resources from PTI reported that nearly 6,000 people have been cured of the contagion with traditional Siddha system of medicine across Tamil Nadu. A typical day at the Siddha treatment involves saltwater gargling, yoga, pranayama, mudra practices, as well as counseling. From the wondrous West, the state government of Gujarat has distributed arsenicum album 30C as a prophylaxis to COVID-19 to 3.48 crore people, nearly half of the state's population. From the noble northeastern Ladakh, where the National Research Institute for Sowa Rigpa is located, teaches people to take up simple practices rooted in nature to take care of their health. Sowa Rigpa is a medicinal wisdom with its root in Himalayan region. Ayurveda standing the test of time. The confluence of ancient wisdom of Ayurveda with latest telemedicine technology gave rise to Vidmed Ayurveda, India's first comprehensive Ayurveda telemedicine platform, an application designed exclusively for Ayurvedic doctors. And in another incident, in a first of its kind digital tool, the National Institute of Indian Medical Heritage, Hyderabad, has developed the software Integrated Clinical Decision Support System, which is an Ayurvedic encyclopedia with scientific meanings of almost 3,000 words. And that's all for today's news, everybody. Wishing you a very good day from Sindhumati Devi of Ayurvani. Nandri.